Hello and welcome. Click this registration button. Now you are looking at our registration form. Fill in your desired username and password. Next is your website. Here you can enter your website URL, link to your social media profile, or basically a link to anything you want. If you have none of it, you can just write example.com. Choose any site category you want from the drop-down list, choose your preferred language, and select Link to Website in here. We strongly advise you to enter your real name and surname in the next fields. It is possible that in the future our security service will ask you to verify your identity. As for email, please write real address that you have access to. Select your preferred messenger and enter your username in it. Choose your country and enter your real phone number. And finally, payment details. Here, select player account and enter random 9-digit number. Our manager will help you with that. There will be a separate video for this process on our channel, so stay tuned. Click the checkbox below and press Register button. That's it! You have created your account on our platform.